How to fix LinkedIn messaging issue. To fix a LinkedIn messaging issue, you should first determine if the problem is a technical glitch or a platform restriction. So most technical issues, about 40%, can be resolved by clearing your browser cache and cookies as well. So if you're using the LinkedIn app, what you could do is just go ahead and open the LinkedIn app onto your device. There, you just need to tap the profile from the top left, go to settings on your device, and after which you want to go to account preferences section. Here, go ahead and look for a data. If you cannot find one, you could go ahead and look for data privacy as well, and this way you will be able to see clear search history. You just want to make sure to go ahead and clear all your search history, and after which exit out of LinkedIn. Open up settings on your device, go ahead and locate app from the list and locate LinkedIn. After which, go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache, and now close all the background running app and go to your app store so that to check whether the LinkedIn app is updated or not. After you're done updating the LinkedIn app, hold on to your side button and restart your device. That is also going to definitely help you out. Next, you could also disable any sort of browser extensions, or if you are using any sort of a VPN, you might want to disable that too as well. And in many cases, if the messaging someone you aren't connected to, you have to verify you have enough InMail credit as well. So whenever you're doing this, you have a limit, right? So you want to make sure that you have not crossed your limit as well. And if you've reached your weekly connections limit, you can go to your My Network sections, open up LinkedIn onto your device, then tap the profile at the very top, go to settings on your device, and here you just want to make sure to go to My Network, and you could go ahead and manage as well. So this way you should be able to fix LinkedIn messaging issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.